Hi guys, it's me, ColorMeCassie, and today I am going to be doing a Kiss Me unboxing for March of 2018. So you guys, I just started getting the Kiss Me subscription. This is the other Liveglam, blah, 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 blah. I can't talk. This is the other Liveglam subscription. Same company that does Morphe Me. They also do Kiss Me, and this comes with lip products in it every month, which I'm super excited about because I don't have a lot of lip products, but that's not something I typically buy for myself. Typically when I go to the store, I'm like, ooh, eyeshadows, and I just buy more and more eyeshadows. I'm an eyeshadow addict, really. I have a problem. So I thought it would be kind of fun to be able to get Kiss Me, get some new colors and stuff to try out. I don't know, it's good for me. Beneficial to Cassie. Good for my soul. But before we get started, you guys, if you want a Kiss Me bag for March, I have an extra. So if you want to win that extra Kiss Me bag, I will have a giveaway going on, and I'll link it in the description box down below. So go check that out. And just so you guys know, this is a $20 box. $20 for 3 lip products every month, I believe. And it came in this little satin bag, so that's kind of cool. Opening that up, here are the 3 shades. I want to try them all on for you guys. First thing I'd like to say about these is the packaging is really cute. It's kind of like a frosted glass packaging with a rose gold handle and title on it. Title? What do you call that? I just think the packaging of these are really cute, and I think that they'd be fun like displayed on your little beauty table or something like that. So definitely excited about that packaging. The first shade I'm going to be trying on is called Sugar Daddy, and this is actually the one that I'm most excited about. I think it looks super, super pretty. Ooh, smells like cookies. I wasn't expecting that. Get out of my head, 'cause I'm the way you are. So far, I'm really liking that consistency. I feel like it's pretty opaque. It's not super patchy or anything like that. And it doesn't feel super drying quite yet either. I don't know. I think I like it. Maybe I'll zoom you guys in a little bit. So what do you guys think of that lip color? I feel super fun and vampy in it. I really like it. I really like it a lot. Cassie liked this color. I like it. I feel like a vampire. I don't know what that was, but I like it. So it feels pretty comfortable. It doesn't dry down right away, at least. Maybe if I waited a little bit longer, it would dry down all the way. It doesn't feel sticky or anything like that, though. I'll have to try one of these out and see how the wear of them goes, but I really like the color of it a lot. So I'm going to wipe this off and try another color. Should have gone lightest to darkest. That would have been the smart thing to do. Okay, I'm going to go in with the lightest color here so I have a little bit easier time taking it off. This is the color Crush. It's pretty orange. Not super excited about this shade just because it's really not my cup of tea. It smells the same though, the same vanilla-y scent to it. It's like you always said, ain't nothing but a scar. It's looking a little bit patchy, so I'm going to try to go in with another coat. So I'm not loving that color. I just don't like how I look in orange. Orange is one of my least favorite colors in general. So on my lips, I don't like it. I just don't like it. It's pretty opaque. You can layer it up. I did put another layer on top, and I think it did pretty well with that. I just don't like the color though. I'm not a huge orange person. So let's wipe that off and put on the last one. The last one is called Tease, and I think this will be a really pretty color. I did a little bit of a worse job applying that one, but I do really like the color. It's very opaque. One swipe and it was definitely really covered. And this also looks really good on me. I love the vampy colors. The vampy colors are my favorite, you guys. So out of these 3 colors, I really like these 2. Not so much a fan of this one, but you know, sometimes you just don't get the colors you want. Maybe for Halloween, this would be a great color. I like that idea. Halloween, we'll do some orange for sure. Maybe someday I'll wear an orange dress and wear this with it, but you know, orange is just not my favorite color. I am very happy with these 2 colors. I think they're beautiful. They apply great. The colors are very opaque. and they're just so pretty. Such my cup of tea, these two colors. I'm a little bit curious to see if it's every month there's a color I don't like, or if other months have more normal colors. This just threw me off a bit. I'm not sure this month's was really worth it for me. I mean, the convenience factor of it is good, so I essentially got 2 lipsticks that I really like for $10 a piece. That gets a little spendy to be a good deal. I'll have to see how these wear and see if they're worth it, but it was definitely more convenient than going to the store and picking up lipsticks, which is something I just don't do. Yeah, I really like the idea of the subscription. I'll have to wait it out and see how these wear, see if they're worth it, and see if I get better colors in the future, or more good colors in the future. But I'm really excited about Kiss Me so far. If you guys want to subscribe to Kiss Me, I have a link in the description box down below. And that is an affiliate link, which just means that if you do decide to subscribe to Kiss Me, then I will get, you know, a few cents on the dollar or something like that, so that I can continue to purchase subscription boxes to review for you guys. So if you're already deciding to subscribe to Kiss Me, then please use my link, because that'll help my channel and help me continue to make these videos for you guys. And that's pretty much it. If you liked this video, you liked this Kiss Me unboxing, then make sure you smash that like button. If you have not yet subscribed, make sure you do so that you get to see all my beauty unboxings on this channel. And before we go, you guys, don't forget to enter my giveaway for the extra March Kiss Me bag. I will have it linked in the description box down below, so do that before you leave. That's pretty much it. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye!